The grill assembly consists of a new grill, the lamp socket and reflector, and a new lens. The grill provides a decorative cover that allows air to flow into the bathroom fan. Over time, the grill can discolor or become dirty from dust in the air. It can be accidentally cracked while replacing the light bulb or during cleaning. The lens can also become discolored with age or crack while replacing the bulb. Replacing the grill assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. The first step is to remove the grill from the fan body. Of course, your fan will be mounted in the ceiling, so this is going to be a little more difficult for you. You'll have to hold everything in place so it doesn't fall. I'll use a screwdriver to carefully pry the lens away from the grill body. The grill is secured to the fan with 2 screws. I'll go ahead and remove them. I'll support the grill with one hand as I remove the other screw so it doesn't fall. Now I can pull the grill away from the fan and remove the wiring harness for the socket. Now I can install the new grill. I'll connect the wiring harness and place the grill onto the fan. I'll make sure I align the mounting holes with the holes in the fan body. And of course, the grill should be aligned so that the outlet for the heater lines up with the heater blower housing. I'll secure the grill with the screws. I'll finish by reinstalling the lens. I'll align the slot on the lens with the tab on the housing and snap it into place. And that's how easy it is to replace the grill assembly on your bathroom fan.